In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to change your name on Steam step by step. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your current username there. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that list, select View My Profile. This will take you to your public profile page. Now on the right side of your profile, find and click the Edit Profile button. This is where you can customize your Steam identity. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, you'll see a field labeled Profile Name. This is the name that other users see, not your login username, which you can't change, but your display name. Simply click into that box, delete your current name, and type in the new name you want to use. After entering your new name, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. And that's it. Your new Steam name will update instantly and your friends will see the change right away. You can repeat this process anytime, as Steam allows you to change your profile name as often as you like.